Hello everyone, here is today's problem. Suppose AB are positive integers such that a squared plus ab is a product of two consecutive integers. Given that b is greater than 1, we are asked to show that b is at least 1 plus square root of 4a plus 1 and find all ab for which equality holds. This question is from Polish Mathematics Olympiad 2026 round 1, question 4. Please have a good try before you look at the answer. So from the question, a squared plus ab is a product of two consecutive integers, which means that we can write as n plus 1. Obviously, if b is equals to 1, then a squared plus ab become a squared plus a become a plus 1. Which is always a product of two consecutive integers, which means that it is too trivial. That's right. We have the condition that b is greater than 1. Since b is greater than 1, you have to show two things. So the first one, b is at least 1 plus square root of 4a plus 1. Let us try a few examples. Let's say a equals to 1. a squared plus ab becomes 1 plus b. And we want it to be a product of two constant integers. Let's say n equals 1, then this will be 2, and b equals 1, which is not allowed. So we try for n equals to 2. So it means that b equals to 5. And obviously 5 is greater than or equals to 1 plus square root of 4a plus 1. That is 1 plus square root of 5. That is correct. Let's try for a equals to 2. Then a squared plus ab become 4 plus 2b. So let's say this is a product of two consecutive integers. We can choose maybe 5 times 6, that is 30. So b will become 13. And this is greater than equals to 1 plus square root of 4 times 2 plus 1, that is equals to 4. Now with this, we may actually guess when the equality holds. Suppose equality holds and b is a positive integers, it means that 4a plus 1 must be k squared. So let's say now k equals to 2. Square root of 4a plus 1 will be equal to 3, and therefore b equals to 4. So we look at a squared plus ab will be 2 squared plus 2 times 4. That will be 4 plus 8, that is 12. So it is 3 times 4, which satisfies the equation. Suppose a now equals to 6. Square root of 4a plus 1 will be equals to 5. So b equals to 6. Then a squared plus ab will equal 36 plus 36, that is 72, which is 8 times 9. Again, satisfy the condition. So now let's go back to the question. We start with a squared plus ab equals to n plus 1. And a squared plus a plus b is a plus b. Since b is greater than 1, meaning that here n must be greater than a. So we suppose n is equals to a plus c for some positive integer c. So n times n plus 1 equals a plus c plus 1. There will be a plus c squared plus a plus c. And it is a squared plus 2ac plus c squared plus a plus c. Given that n times n plus 1 equals a squared plus ab. So a squared cancel off, and b therefore equals to 2c plus 1 and c squared plus c over a. And note that this is still a positive integer, which means that c squared plus c over a must be a positive integer. So c squared plus c over a must be positive integer. It must be at least 1. So c squared plus c must be greater than equals to a. Now if multiply 4 to each side and plus 1, we'll see that this will be 2c plus 1 squared greater than equals to 4a plus 1, which means that 2c plus 1 greater equals to square root of 4a plus 1, where this is a term occurs in the inequality. So let's look back at this. b is greater than 2c plus 1 plus c squared plus c over a. And this means that b must be greater than or equals to 2c plus 1 plus 1. Because this c squared plus c over a is at least 1. We just show that 2c plus 1 is at least square root of 4a plus 1. So this will be at least square root of 4a plus 1. So that is our proof. This shows the inequality. Equality holds if and only if c squared plus c over a equals to 1. Equality holds if and only if c squared plus c equals to a. And in that case, it means that b is equals to c plus 2. And lastly, n equals to a plus c. So n equals to a plus c. A equals to c squared plus 2c. So that will be c squared plus 2c. So now check for this. Check a equals to c squared plus c, b equals to 2c plus 2, and n equals to c squared plus 2c. So we check for a squared plus ab, which will be c squared plus c squared plus c squared plus c and 2c plus 2. This is c squared, c plus 1 squared. This is c plus 1 square and times 2. So this will be c plus 1 square times c plus 2. So we combine c and c plus 2. So this is c plus 2. And the other one is c plus 1 square. And we will see that this is c squared plus 2c. And the other one is c squared plus 2c plus 1. This shows that this is a product of two consecutive integers start with c squared plus 2c. So as shown just now, if c equals to 1, we have this is 2 squared plus 2 times 4, that is 12, and it will be 3 times 4. C equals 2, that will be 6 squared plus 6 times 6, 72, 8 times 9. C equals 3, 12 squared plus 12 times 8, and that will be 15 times 16, and so on and so forth. With this, we have completely solved the problem. That's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.